So I'm trying organic jaggery for the first time in India. I can
Sambar,
eat
sambar.
sambar. Oh, the sambar one. Rice and sambar.
Ah.
Meet you, nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia?
I'm from India only, but I went for Australia when I was 7 years old.
Chacha.
No Hindi, sir. I'm from Australia.
And Australia.
People totally think that I'm foreigner. God damn it, bro. I'm not a foreigner, man. So I'm just going to taste this one. It's this much. You're from India?
India.
India? Your name?
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Murli, you're from India? Thank you. Nice to meet you, sir.
ಸಂಜನಾ ಗಲ್ರಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು.
So this is what name?
Pudina.
Pudina. So, fine. Thank you so much.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Sir, can I taste one little? Hi. What?
ಯಾವ ಚಾನಲ್?
My channel name? Fury Vlogs. Fury Vlogs. Okay, Fury Vlogs. I don't know if this guy is going to check this out. I'm gonna get banged, bro. If he gets to know that I'm Kannadiga, then everything, the entire vlog is going to get dumped out. So the better thing was I shouldn't have told that I'm from this thing Karnataka, or I'm making a vlog in English, which is of Fury Kannada Vlogs. As a person was asking me repeatedly, I said like my channel name is Fury Kannada Vlogs. So everything happened like this. So what is this one?
800.
Is it eatable one?
ಹಾಂ.
Eating? Can I one taste?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗದಪ್ಪ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Okay, this guy gave me this thing one.
ಸಾರು.
I can
Sambar,
eat.
sambar.
Sambar? Oh, the sambar one. Rice and sambar.
Ah.
Okay. So you're from Karnataka only?
ಏಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕೇರ್ಪೇಟೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
You're from Mandya?
ಮಂಡ್ಯ.
Okay. Can I taste this?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗದಪ್ಪ.
ಏಕೆ ಅಚ್ಚಾ.
No Hindi, sir. I'm from Australia.
And Australia.
This is actually gross. It's nice, sir. They put for sambar. I had sambar 3 days back. Your name, sir?
Name.
Name.
Murthy.
Nice meeting you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll come back. Go to temple and come back. The same Manu Sugarcane Juice Center is here. And the thing that I got bitten on this was so hard. Here some ladies selling fruits. Sorry, I mean the tomatoes and the flowers. And I know what is this one, but it seems it's something very different to me. It's fine, no problem. I know what is this thing, but it's common in India. I'm speaking about India a lot because people want to get to know that I'm Indian. That's why. India, they're selling all those fried snacks and everything. You can see all those fried snacks, all those chips, all those. I guess it's a cash thing. And then sweet, this thing, and everything. So this is common in India, which we take as snacks and everything. You can see all these things. And in the previous video I have shown you, right, the jackfruit thing. This is the jackfruit. This is actually common in India, and it comes only in some seasons. And this is watermelon. And this thing. So your name? Manjunath. You're from India? Nice meeting you, sir. You're selling all these things here.
Sir, English, Kannada.
Sir, Kannada? I don't know Kannada, sir. I'm from Australia. I'm Indian only, but I went for Australia for studies. Studies in Australia when I was 3 years, small. I went there. So I came back now again. Looking for temple. Temple is nice. Yeah, I know. Thank you so much. In this case, saying something here. So what is this one? So what is this thing? But it feels the same which I tasted earlier. So can I taste one? So I'm just going to taste this one. It's this much. This is hard. This is for snacks. Cooking. Okay. It's nice, sir. It's nice. Thank you so much. Your name? Murli. You're from India? Thank you. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you so much. People totally think that I'm foreigner. God damn it, bro. I'm not a foreigner, man. And then you can see the same things in this shop also. I think this is something like Mysore Pak, a sweet something. I don't know what is this. This is kind of some jelly. Oh, this is actually very soft, man. Jelly thing. It's actually, my hands are totally on oil. It's fine. It's common in India. It's common in India. So and then this thing also is. This is something about this one, but I forgot what is this one. But it's fine. You can see all those god idols and everything. And it's actually common in India. There's a god which we went earlier. This thing also. they put some full jar soda available. You know what is this one? But these people are making with all those lemons and everything. It's actually common in India also. You know what? These people are seeing me like I haven't seen anybody like vlogging or anything before, so I can't make out what is this, but he's kind of different to me. And they have all those carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes and everything. And then that guy is making some kind of chat, I guess. Some kind of chat, I guess. And the same thing, the sugarcane thing. Then he has some new flavors. I guess this is some sort of leaf. So this is what leaf?
ಪುದೀನ
Pudina. Common in India.
ಇದು ಪುದೀನ
Pudina.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದು.
So can I taste one little? I want to taste this one. So thank you so much, sir.
ಜೋಸ್
This feels some sort of like kind of mint leaf. And then this is ginger. Ginger. You put all these ginger and lemon and everything for this juice.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್
Mixing. Are you from India, sir? You're from India.
ಇಂಡಿಯಾ
India. Your name?
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Your name, sir?
ನೇಮ್ ಮುತ್ತುರಾಜ್.
Muthuraj. Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. He felt totally overwhelmed when I spoke to this thing. What's it? I didn't understand.
ಸಂಜನಾ ಗಲ್ರಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು.
Sanjana Galrani. His name?
ನೇಮ್
His name?
ನೇಮ್
His name was
ಸಂಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್.
Sanjay Kumar.
Yes.
You're from India?
Yes, I'm from India, Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Yes.
Your name? Sanjay.
Sanjay Kumar.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia?
I'm from India only, but I went for Australia when I was 7 years old.
Oh,
That's why. I came back to this thing for this temple.
temple. Go and visit.
You're selling
temple.
all these things
Yes,
from
sir.
how many years?
Since 1 year.
Since 1 year.
1 year.
Have a nice day, bro. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. So let's go forward.
ಕಾಯಿ ಪುಜಕಾಯಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ
Ah,
ಹಾಂ
okay. I didn't understand what you're saying, but she's saying some sort of like make a video or something. I can understand from her gestures and everything. So it's fine. Thank you so much.
ಹಾಂ ಆಯ್ತು
So I don't know what she said, but it's fine. No problem. She said some sort of thing which I didn't understand. But I was like, okay. Let's do a vlog here. It's fine. No problem. And then the same thing, the same photos and everything sold out here on this side also. And then I can see what is this. So what is this one?
Organic bella.
Organic?
Organic bella, jaggery. Good.
Jaggery. Okay. It's saying organic jaggery. So can I taste a small piece? This one. This one is fine. Small one. Thank you so much. So I'm trying organic jaggery for the first time in India. It's kind of very nice. So what is your name?
Darshan.
Darshan. A film actor Darshan. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you so much. You're from India only? Which part of India? Karnataka. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And the same old photos and then same all these pudina leaves and everything sold out here. And the same organic jaggery which I have in my mouth right now. So I guess this is the end of the journey which we started vlogging as a prank in India's Mandya. I mean Karnataka's Mandya. I don't know how the vlog came out, but I was kind of nervous and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog out here. So ಈ ಥರನೇ ಹೊಸ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I can't resist talking English. I feel like I'm kind of foreigner only, but I should make my speaking skills and I should be more courageous if I want to make a vlog as a foreigner. So it's fine. It's my first vlog as a foreigner prank in India. So let's meet in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this foreigner prank vlog. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂಥರ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಊರ ಕಡೆ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕೆಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥರನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಫನ್ನಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರಿನರ್ ಪ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಬಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಬಾಯ್.